Hi everyone, this is Deepti Stephens and welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 video of masking technique. In this video, I'm going to show how to create a group of anything with masking. Here's a little about this technique. It is a beautiful technique that adds so much depth and dimension to one layer card designs. It creates an illusion that one image is standing behind the other. Kindly check the part 1 video of masking technique series in the description box below. I'm starting by masking the edges of the main card panel with a thin washi tape. I'm going to blend or distress the background with card pumpkin distress ink. I'm going heavy handed at the bottom and light at top. For a dreamy background, I'm adding splatters of water with a paintbrush and removing the excess water with a paper towel. Also adding splatters of black paint to enhance the beauty of the background. While the card panel was drying, I'm going to stamp this cute fox from paper Smooches on a white cardstock. Then I'll be stamping the same image on a masking paper. I'm using an alcohol-friendly ink since I'm going to color the images with alcohol markers. I'm going to fuzzy cut it and adhere over the previously stamped image. Then I'm going to stamp the same fox on either side of the masked fox image. Removing the mask off to reveal the beautiful design. I'm using Sizzix markers to color in the images. Please excuse my poor coloring skills. I'm not going to color the entire image as I wanted them to stand out on a bright background. I'm going to fuzzy cut it. Now that the ink distressed background is dried, I'm going to remove the masks off and checking which way these foxes fit on the card front. They did fit in landscape design. I'm stamping hello from the same stamp set. And foam mounting the foxes over the card front. Here are a few examples for you on how to create a group by masking technique. I used For Everything stamp sets and inks by Catherine Puller Designs. All the product list and other details links are given below in the description box. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I'll see you next time.